Hi, my name is Lee Morrison. I am the owner of Red Eagle Law, and this video is about a lawsuit that is an opportunity for Sudanese DV2023 selectees to challenge the failure of the Kentucky Consular Center, KCC, to reassign Sudanese DV2023 selectees from the U.S. Embassy Khartoum to other embassies that are open, okay? Because the U.S. Embassy in Khartoum has been evacuated of U.S. staff. I understand even the Marines have left, okay? So all DV 2023 selectees face many barriers related to getting interviews and visas. But if KCC never reassigns the Sudanese DV 2023 selectees to a U.S. embassy that is open, they will be unable to attend consular interviews prior to the end of the fiscal year, prior to the end of September. So we know this because we've seen it happen before with Iraqis. We've seen it happen before with Afghans and prior years. So this lawsuit is an opportunity to try to stop that from happening and try to save the DV path for selectees, DV 2023 selectees, who chose Khartoum on their DS-260. We will be filing this lawsuit in the U.S. District Court for the District Court of Columbia. Okay? So now, important dates. The deadline to participate will be May 16th, 2023. End of the day, midnight in Sudan. Okay? GMT2. The complaint will be filed May 23, 2023. Okay, so this month. These are firm deadlines. Okay, don't come to me after to say, hey, I want to participate now. No, when the train leaves the station, the train is gone. You can't get on the train after it leaves the station. Okay. To participate in this lawsuit, DV 2023 selectees must first have completed and submitted their DS-260 application. Second, chosen U.S. Embassy Khartoum on that DS-260 application. Okay. Third, have emailed KCC asking for your interview location to be reassigned to another U.S. embassy. If you've not done that, do it now, and you can participate. Okay. Fourth, you must have a case number rank that will be current in the June visa bulletin. That's the one that's made available May, that's already published, and it means that the DV 2023 selectee must have a case number rank below the Africa allocation cutoff number of 63.5. Okay, so if your case number is above 63.5, we are hopeful that this lawsuit will help, but you cannot participate as a plaintiff. Okay, now let's talk about the cost to participate. Okay. The attorney fee to participate as plaintiffs in this lawsuit will be $1,000 for each DV 2023 selectee. This fee includes the cost of participation of all derivatives, regardless of the family size. However, derivatives will not be named as plaintiffs to keep the case simple, because if we move the DV selectee's case, we have it reassigned to another embassy, well, the derivatives are reassigned too. Okay, so there's no reason to make the derivatives plaintiffs in this case. So note, the attorney fees are not contingent upon the outcome of the lawsuit. The attorney fees will be due after entry into the U.S. and only if the participant is issued a DV 2023 visa. Okay, so what I'm saying here is we are deferring these attorney fees until you enter the U.S. We realize that it's difficult in Sudan right now to come up with that much money. And so we're not asking you to do that right now. We're asking you to hire us now. You can pay us after you enter the U.S. Okay, frequently asked questions. To participate, must I have completed my DS-260? Answer, yes. If I participate in this lawsuit, but I later believe that my visa was issued without any assistance from the lawsuit, do I still need to pay the attorney fees? Answer, yes. Are Sudanese DV 2020, DV 2021, DV 2022 selectees eligible for the lawsuit? No. unless you also won DV2023, and then you're eligible, but only on the DV2023 application. Okay, 4. What is the purpose of this lawsuit? Okay, the purpose of this lawsuit is to get the interview locations reassigned, and that way we can get the visa interviews scheduled. Okay, this is important because our goal is not to win a lawsuit in the traditional sense. Our goal is to get rid of the obstacles, to remove the obstacle of the interview location that's standing in your way right now. So what is the legal basis for the lawsuit? Okay, we'll be challenging the legality of the arbitrary and capricious decision made by KCC, or several decisions, to not allow Sudanese DV2023 selectees to change their embassy location, their interview location. If they close the embassy, they have to let you change the location. So we're going to ask the State Department, KCC, and embassies to allow our Sudanese DV2023 clients, our plaintiffs in this case, to change their assigned embassy. So the deadline to join this lawsuit, that's the next question. I said before, but let me make sure you understand. It's May 16th, 2023. That is a Tuesday. The deadline is in concrete. It will not be extended under any circumstances. However, keep in mind, the earlier that you participate, the better. Okay? If everybody waits to the last day, it makes things more difficult for us, and we will not be able to file as a clear complaint as what I want. So, where will the litigation be filed? It will be filed in Washington, D.C. Okay? There's no guarantee which judge we will get. We won't find out. It'll be randomly assigned. Next question, how soon will we receive the results? Which is a great question. With all lawsuits, there are no guarantees. The idea is to get judicial oversight over KCC's decisions that's causing you an injury. If we don't file a lawsuit, we don't have judicial oversight over that decision. So our goal is to get the outcome as quickly as possible, but lawsuits are not quick, okay? So that's why we have to start now. It would be unreasonable to expect the lawsuit to have an impact in the short term, in a couple weeks or something like that. The government doesn't even have a deadline until 60 days after we file a complaint. So just know that we are working to do it as quickly as possible. Okay. 10th question. Will you ask the judge to reserve unused visas before fiscal year 2023 ends? The answer is our focus is getting our plaintiffs' interview locations changed to the U.S. Changed to the U.S. embassies that are open. That's our first focus. If the visas are issued to all of our plaintiffs before the end of the fiscal year, reserving the visas won't be necessary. So that's our first goal. However, if we do not achieve our first goal, yes, we will ask the judge for that, but no guarantee that will happen. Okay, so that gives you an overview of this lawsuit. If you have any other questions, let me know or someone on our team know, and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. Thank you.